Hello and welcome to the video tutorials of Fusion 360. In this playlist we have already discussed digital center of mass, and in this video we are going to talk about this component color cycle toggle, which is right into this design panel here. There are more workspaces which consist of their separate user interfaces. You can go along with this, but we are going to work in this design here. So go to the construct mode and go to the inspect mode and click on component cycling. Click on component color cycling toggle. You can also use control shift on only shift plus N to toggle this on. You can see that right here we are getting a color. If I press control shift, I will remove this color. Press shift plus N, I will get this color. Means this is the leading color of the all of your branches of your tree. This is the tree of your model here, and this is the leading color of your model here. So every body you create in the panel which will be has their own separate color, but the color of this color will be this. Means if you are creating for example, if I create a center rectangle here, click OK, and if I extrude it up, it will be in blue color. Which is the leading color of this. But what if I create a component? If I create a component by clicking this dot into this, I will get another component with the another color. Means if I am create a new component, I will get another color. If I create another component, I will get another color. In this way you can get colors, and colors are very easy to determine that what are the process your piece is related with. For example, if I want to perform, if you want to work on this surface, go to the again to the your object, and for example, if I create a hole right here, which this is the hole. If I create this hole, the process will be recorded here with the blue color, because we are going to perform this process under this tree, which is the leading color, and the process is recorded as a blue color. Then now if you ask that why our component is recorded, because this is our component here which is recorded as a blue. So if I said earlier I said that earlier that our component has a lead color, this blue color. So that's why it is created as a blue color, and every process and every body inside this component you create will be of the red color. For example, if I want to work on this component, so I have to click the dot here so that I can work inside this. If you didn't click this, then you will create bodies inside the main channel here. So if you need to create the component with its own body, you have to click on the component active component button right here, and if go to the again click your view, click your and make component like this, you can see that our sketch is recorded with the red color, and extruded was also recorded with the red color. Now if I see the whole tree, we will come to know that first we sketch. Our sketch is present inside this blue color, under this blue color. If our sketch is present in this component, then our sketch will be with the red color. So now why these bodies are turns to the this body, and this every process you did inside this will be turned to this color, and every component which you create which will also be the color of this blue color, and the every process and every body you create inside this component, by selecting this you will get the separate color of each and every bodies and your sketches and every process which will be recorded here. Now the color is very easy to say that this process is under the same component and this process under the same component. So this is how we can clearly identify our process and objects. I'm going to upload another video on this tutorial, that how can we manage the tree and the process, and how can we sketch inside the component, and many videos. I'm going to give you more videos about this, one more video about this. So make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the like button and hit subscribe button and hit bell icon to get the latest update. Comment in the comment box if you have any doubt regarding this software. I will sure make a video on that topic, and hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching.